Ever wonder about those planes soaring over your local park? Let's unravel this sky-high mystery. Those metal birds aren't just joyriding, they're on precise flight paths, following invisible highways in the sky. Some might be starting their descent to a nearby airport, while others are climbing to cruising altitude. But here's the kicker. They could be heading anywhere. New York, Tokyo, or even that tropical paradise you've been dreaming about. Next time you're lounging in the park, remember, each plane is packed with stories. Hundreds of people, each with their own destination and adventure. So next time you spot one, give a little wave. Who knows? You might just be saying bon voyage to the next big business deal or a long-awaited family reunion.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for future videos.